Guys, bigboxbreaks.ucrater.com. Break number 148 is filled. So it's been a little while here. So we bought a spot on my site. You are entered to win a free box of Series 1. And also everybody's eligible for a free spot in my next break of Series 1, 2016-17 Series 1. Another one, 16-15 free box giveaway. So let's go ahead and do the team randoms 3 times as always. And remember guys, this is not a box that I ship off. It's a group break, so encourage everyone to read the description for the rules. So here's the team random here. Okay. And now, people in the break 3 times as well. 2 and 3. Copy and paste. And all my breaks, guys, I put this in the description below. So Wild go to Michael Gogo. Florida is Gamma Gam. Washington goes to Netrider 54. Canes Ron McKay. Sharks Michael Gogo. Blues NHL Canada. Wings and Jets Michael. King Fredster Predators. Toronto is Gamcar 555. Flames is Michael Gogo. Flyers is Madden 11 2011. Hawks is Curly Gore. Sabres is Gamcar 55 6. Terrible names, guys. Rangers go to CMCMY88. Bruins is Ute Puke Man. And same with the Jackets. Kings go to Michael Gogo. Stars Netrider. Islanders is JD Can. Canucks is Gamma Gamma. Lightning is Katarzyna Cow 0. Canadians is Michael Gogo. Oilers is Netrider. Avalanche is NHL Canada. Ducks go to Turbin Lappin. Devils go to Big Newfie 666. Senators and Penguins, Les Bodas. And the Coyotes is Katreza Co 0. So anyway, sorry guys, like all my breaks there, I'll put this in the description below, and off to the spot to do that. Zoom in on the number. 342-16092 is the box number. So hopefully we get a good hit. Empty. Pack 1. Base, 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 and Morgan Riley of $4.99. Pack 2. Base, 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 Emerald, Chris Letang, out of 99. Emerald for the Penguins. Base. 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 Red. Chris Chelios for the Wings. And this is out of $2.99 for Detroit. Base. 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 This one's out of 55 for the Leafs. Nikita Kucherov. Nice card. Out of 55. What do you call this? Gold or copper? Kucherov. A jersey card. No redemption, I think. Ebbs. Base. Base. Redemption. Oh, Toronto Maple Leafs. Redemption card. And that is number 207. I don't know, Matthews? Hopefully. Jersey card here, I think. So decoy. Base. Artifacts rookie. Leafs. Brendan Lefius. Can't say it. Toronto 2-color out of $3.99. Toronto. Two packs left. Another jersey. Another gold, maybe. Base. 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 Toronto again. Kasper Kapanen. Toronto. Gold. Really don't know if these are worth much. So Toronto stole this box. And last pack. Better be a patch. Okay, so base, 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 decoy put in there. Artifacts rookie, New Jersey, nice patch. A nice patch. Steven Sanatini. And this one's out of 49. So 3 boxes, no auto. So we'll head back to the spot and do the randoms. Quick recap before the multi-random. Chelios, Riley, Kucherov, Letang. Toronto took most of the box. Sweet patches here. So 3 times, and we'll do a free spot giveaway here for everybody at the break. And the next product will be the new Series 1. 3 times here, guys. And 3. Michael, go. So, thanks a lot, guys, and I will be doing the random for this box giveaway here. Just got to set it up. So, I'll just have to link on my homepage there. So, if you bought a spot on my website here, I will put the link right there for you guys to check out who won that free box. So thanks a lot, guys, and check out my site. I do have a 2-box of Series 1 here that's due at the end of the week here. So check out bigboxbreaks.ecreator.com.